Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange. And today, because of bad global cues, SGX Nifty was indicating lower opening. Although Asian markets were higher, but the US markets were lower, SGX Nifty indicating lower level, but we opened higher. And we moved significantly higher in the morning and only to be sold off. And today is a weekly expiry, so as usual the expiry related volatility coming in, and Nifty has fallen more than 200 points from intraday high to intraday low. So the volatility is still, volatility index is going down, but the volatility, intraday volatility is increasing day by day. And Nifty fell more than 200 points from intraday high to low. Bank Nifty fell more than 450 points from intraday high to low. And not only it's one direction, in betting it went up and then again came down. And Nifty future made a low of 15,860 around 225, 230. Then in the last 1 hour, there was a good recovery of about 80, 90 points. Reliance Industries was the top contributor on the higher side, and that's because there was some news floating around that windfall tax may be removed. And there is no official confirmation, but people think that the crude prices, the way crude prices is falling, so that will be removed ultimately. And IT stocks, and what to talk about IT stocks, falling like anything. And TCS, I thought TCS will not break 3000, but it has broken 3000. And remember, just ahead of the results, it was 3,400 and it has fallen more than 400 rupees. And remember, just few months before, they announced buyback at 4,500 rupees. The stock was trading around 4,000. Now it has broken 3,000. So that is more than 25% fall. And of course, if you don't worry about this volatility and this and that, definitely TCS is worth investing below 3,000 for long term. My problem, I have already invested at 3,400. Now I don't have money to invest. And I do have a lot of positions in TCS, and I'm really struggling, but nothing to worry much because I've been selling call options aggressively and will be able to come out with some profit at the end of the month. So except auto and pharma, all the sectors were down today. Surprisingly, FIIs were net buyers in cash market today. That was really surprising. And FIIs have bought for 309 crores. Now, whenever we say FII, always only 3,000 come to mind. They bought only for 309 crores. And another surprising thing is that the domestic institutions have sold for 556 crores. But clearly, markets are becoming bearish. And I told you many times, this whole year is not for investors. And it will go up, down, up, down. It's not going to go anywhere. And last October was 18,600. I don't know when Nifty is going to cross 18,600 on the higher side. I would say this is the longest correction in Indian stock market history. Usually, in few months time to or maximum 1 year, it takes out the previous high. But this time, I don't think that 18,600 will be taken out anytime soon. Global markets adding more bearishness, and European markets were down. Dow future was almost 500 point down when I saw last time. And people thinking, why yesterday it did not fall, why it is falling today. I just used to say for fun, if a child falls down and it will look around, if nobody is there, the child will not cry. The child will be walking to his mother, and it may take even few minutes. The moment the child sees the mother, it will start crying. So it will be a late effect. So something like that, when the news came, 9.1% inflation data, US market might not have reacted, and there could be many reasons. And people who have shorted already, they might be booking the profits. And then at the end of the day, the people go home and think and dissect the information, and now they see that no, 9.1% is really bad, and they will come and sell today. Just like the child crying late after seeing the mother, and these people may be selling not on the day of the data and next day. So that is why 1 or 2 days after the data is more important, because like there will not be any shorts or short covering. Whoever had short, they would have covered the shorts yesterday. So the real picture emerges only 1-2 days after the data. So the data was yesterday. If today and tomorrow US markets are reacting negatively, then it's going to be really negative. It's going to be bad. And some stocks, I can say, sometimes I'm more critical of BJP government. And one of my friends told me, sir, instead of being critical about BJP government, if you have traded in Adani Enterprises, you would have become multimillionaire. It's true, but I have already done that. I have traded in Adani Enterprises. You all know that I bought my Benz S-Class just out of Adani Enterprise profit only. And today, in the last 30 minutes, I saw Adani Enterprises shooting up by 50 rupees. And now it is very, very close to all-time high. So definitely Adani Enterprise is one such stock. Any correction comes, you invest and you become multimillionaire. So other than that, and all other stocks looking very, very weak. Even Reliance intraday, there was a huge short covering, but then again that was sold into. So the things are not really looking very good, and but as a trader, why we worry? With the market falling, we sell call option. Market shooting up, we sell put option. We just come out. But I'm really worried about for the investors, and especially the long-term investors. The markets are not going to settle anytime soon. Markets are going to be volatile. It will be going up and down, but not going to give any significant return for the investors. But surprisingly, in the last 1 year, the more and more retail people coming and pumping in the money into the stock market. So anyway, we will find another time to discuss all those things. Now it is time for party. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.